everybody, this is day one in Udaipur. I know this is not the most perfect intro, but मैं भूल गई थी कि मुझे intro shoot करना है because I'm not a regular vlogger. I don't vlog generally. And currently we have rented a scooty और हम लोग जा रहे हैं, city explore कर रहे हैं. And I'm going to keep you guys updated. We just had food. I'm going to insert images at this food square, which is a very economical, a very nice place to go and have a nice cheap ass meal, which is very yummy and very tasty and also very nutritious. वहाँ पे भिंडी, रोटी, पराठा सब मिलता है. This is our view. We just reached here subah. We checked into our hotel, and since it was a pretty exhausting and long travel, we slept till 2 to 3 p.m, which I know it's very late. But अभी तब से हम लोग बस city recce कर रहे हैं और explore कर रहे हैं. We have not done any activities or any such thing. I shopped for this, and it's very pretty. I got it from a local shop for just I think 280, 180 each ऐसे. And अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. We're going to see all locations, scout all locations for photography purposes, to take content, कहाँ पे allowed है, discover this place just like we've discovered Goa so many times and other places. So let's go, and I'm going to take you guys with me.
जो landmarks हमने जो ready किए हैं, let's go over to them as well and see what kind of yeah.
Say hello to my vlog, Khushbu.
Hi. Lucky to be here.
मैं
sorry.
नहीं डालूंगी.
Sorry, नहीं ऐसे नहीं डाल
Let's go guys. Oh, also it's my birthday eve, जो मैं सबको बता चुकी हूँ because I'm shameless about it. तो आज मजे करेंगे और फिर कल birthday celebrate करेंगे. Hey guys, so I just got done with the folk dance show at the Bagod Ki Haveli Museum, and I think everybody should experience that at least once in their life. It's a lot of Rajasthani dancers coming together, a lot of women coming together to perform on folk songs and dances. We're sitting lakeside listening to the Aarti by the Ghat, my last day as a 24-year-old and my last few hours as a 24-year-old, and it is so serene. It could not have been better. I really love this, and I'll just show you people the view. Hey guys, so we're finally heading for dinner, and I found this amazing beautiful rooftop just by the lake. It has a lakeside view, and I thought chalo aaj yahan pe dinner karte hain, because I'm being super impromptu today. I've not had a single plan, I've not had a single itinerary. I'm just going with the flow. Jo man ho raha hai wahan मैं उदयपुर में जा रही हूँ, and I just decided it looks pretty. The weather is very nice, very chill. I'm going to show you guys very shortly. I'm a little short of breath because we climbed 2 fleets of stairs. Fleet जो भी होता है, and the weather is so amazing. It's super windy. It also drizzled a little bit. Krishna, say hi to my vlog. Yeah, poor thing. He's been my unpaid photographer for the day. I'll pay you in. I'll pay. So yeah, so we're just gonna go have a light dinner because हमने काफ़ी खा लिया दिन में, and I thought कि मैं बार भूल जा रही हूँ vlog लेना, बार भूल जा रही हूँ. So let me just quickly take my vlog. Later on I can insert the segments of where I've been, but I need to tell you people where I've been to. So yeah, let's go. Let's have a nice dinner. Again, my last dinner as a 24-year-old. Let's go. Hey guys, so it's finally my birthday. Thank you so much, Vivi. I love you.
I love you more.
Krishna has done an insane setup, and I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gifts. मुझे नहीं पता बहुत सारे gifts, and it's the prettiest cake I have seen in my life. I am so happy right now. We've been celebrating for the past half an hour, and it's crazy. I'm just gonna show you guys the beautiful, amazing setup that he has done. And I'm also gonna show you guys my outfit. And I just quickly got ready, got dressed up. मैंने सोचा हम लोग ऐसे chill करेंगे, movie देखेंगे और मैं अपने पजामे पहनूंगी. But clearly that's not happening because he's outdone himself and anybody ever. And he has so many gifts for me. I love you.
I love you more.
So this is the gown that I'm wearing. It's not very visible, but मैं इसे बाद में pictures और videos insert कर दूंगी. This is the beautiful setup. Look at it. So this is the art and the artist. I love you.
I love you more.
So this is the crazy setup. I am so excited to open these. And this is my tiara with the cake. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my very beautiful gown. इसको मैं बाद में images में दिखाऊंगी. I'm very excited. I'm going to be cutting my cake, and that's going to happen off camera because that's very personal. And then I'm going to open these gifts up. So guys, this beautiful, stunning view is of the City Palace, which I think is a must visit if you have come to Udaipur. Please don't mind the shaky hands. I have a little bit of equipment on me. This is a long walk. Many people take the cart for the same. And wahan pe, I think that's the Taj. I'm not sure. We are currently going to go boating, and then we'll visit this. Look at this stack. And then we'll visit the City Palace because abhi 2 schools और उनके buses और बहुत सारे बच्चे आए हैं. And I hate kids. So yeah, we'll grab a tiny bite जहाँ पे भी हम रुकेंगे, hopefully, because I'm feeling very famished abhi. And yeah, those are the hills. वहाँ पर boats है. I want to take some beautiful aesthetic photographer on duty. I want to take some beautiful aesthetic shots while on the boat. और फिर हम half an hour कहीं पे halt करेंगे. And then when I come back, I want to visit the City Palace. Thankfully for us, this place is 3 to 7 minutes from where we stay. So जब भी आप लोग उदयपुर का stay book करो, make sure that it's in the city, like
Around Lal Ghat.
Yeah, around Lal Ghat. और अगर लिखा रहे कि 3 minutes walk to Lake Pichola, 2 minutes away from Lake Fateh Sagar, it's even better because these are the primary hubs of the city. So whenever you're traveling to Udaipur, make sure that you keep these things in mind. I'm going to show you how stunning the place is from all angles, and then let's catch up on the boat ride. So we are seated in the boat. Krush. And we're just gonna take off and go and visit the mandir, and which I'm gonna take you guys along with.
It's an island.
Yep, it's an island, and we'll take more amazing content over there. Abhi ke liye hum aise bas baithe hue hain. We're just chilling, sitting, waiting for the boat to take off. So boats over here take off every hour. Matlab har ghante mein, I think till 5 p.m. A lot of boats go off. जितने लोग उसमें आके बैठ सकते हैं. You can also get a private boat, and the charges for that are around 7,000 rupees. So we are reaching the Jagmandir Island, and let me show you guys. you're traveling to Udaipur, I would say यहाँ पर ज़रूर आओ, because this is one of the major and main tourist attractions of this place. आप आए और अगर आप यहाँ नहीं आए, then it's not worth it. Everybody, I think, who visits Udaipur comes here once in a while because it's a beautiful place. So we're currently heading towards the city palace. I'm very tired. I am very famished. I just want to have some water and nice soup या फिर momos या कुछ. I'm going to show you guys the view though. This is the view. This is the Taj something, not worth it. And then this is the view. This is the palace which we're about to visit. This is my view 24/7. और फिर this is where we went for boating. और अभी हम लोग अंदर जाके खाएंगे. I can't stop showing off my stack. This was gifted by the love of my life. और ये रहा again some place Taj something, not worth it. And yeah, let's go. So we're finally here at the Udaipur main palace, and I'm going to take you guys through with me. These are the interiors of the City Palace Museum. It's extremely beautiful. बहुत चलना पड़ रहा है, but we just saw the artillery from Maharana Pratap Singh's time, and a lot of portraits, sculptures, their clothing, which weighed over 35 plus kg. Insane history. So this is an extension of the same palace. We are still traveling. Matlab the museum.
Prasanna Amar Vilas.
Yeah. And बहुत बड़ा है ये पैलेस. So we have reached the
जग मंदिर ऐसे ठीक है. लग रही है.
Study me.
Steady, start it. It's ready.
Start? Yeah. That's it.